Welcome to qnawire.
Okay, so I see that you need help with this question. It says, I'm trying to determine how quickly I'll be able to ramp up production. In 2017, I was able to produce a boat in 24 hours. In 2018, I was able to produce a boat in 20 hours. In 2020, I was able to produce a boat in 16.7 hours. If I have a constant learning percentage, approximately how long will it take to produce the boat in 2021? So 20 divided by 24 is 0.83. And 16.7 divided by 20 is 0.83. It's like 0.83 repeating. This one was 0.835. So I'm going to take, 24 times 17.92, and then, so this is actually 0.83 repeating is 5.6, okay? And so then I'm going to take 16.7 times 5.6, and that's 13.91, 13 point, and it doesn't say what to round to, but it's 13.91667. So we can say approximately 14 hours. So I hope that this video helps you. This is the middle school math teacher signing out.